Guys, I forgot to say I'm gonna show them a Christmas tree, Little black Santa. Ah, my Christmas tree. And then we have some little thing over there. And I also have my little village up here. I did something over there. Why haven't I finished that up? And I also did my